Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see the recursive program to print nth element from the last of a linked list. In my last video I have already explained the iterative program and the problem in detail, and today we are going to see the recursive program. So first of all, this is my definition of node of a linked list. It is having two parts, data which is of integer type and a link pointer. And this is my recursive program which I am going to use today. So as you can see here, see how short this particular program is. And before understanding what this program is doing, let's understand what is the logic behind it, how we are going to do it. So to do it, what we are going to do is, we will first traverse to the end of the linked list, and after that we will start to backtrack. And while backtrack, we will have a pointer, have a counter which we are going to increase. And when this counter will be equal to the nth element, that is which element we want to print, we are going to print it. So let's see how this particular code is going to execute. Like this, it will be easier for you to understand. So first of all, what we are going to do is, see, when we will call this particular function for the first time, that is print nth from last. So I am using pnlf for this thing. What we are going to do is, we are going to pass head, and suppose I want to print the second element from the last. Basically we want to print 30. So we will pass here 2. Okay. So as you can see here, it is taking two parameters, a reference pointer and a integer, that is position, which element from the last I want to print. So as you can see here, head is 100, so it will be 100. So how this code is going to execute? So when this function call will be made and it will come for its own execution, first of all a static integer c variable will be created. Suppose this is my c variable, it will be created and it will be initialized with 0. Now this line I have executed, control will come to this particular line, and this particular what is going to happen, it will check whether reference is null or not. So as you can see here, reference is not null, so this particular statement will not execute, and the control will come to this particular line. And what is this particular line doing? This is making a recursive call to itself using reference.link and add. So basically a function call will be made to pnfl print nth from last ref link. Right now ref is 100, so what is this link part? 200. So 200 comma 2 will be called. Okay, and as soon as this function call will be called, these two lines for this particular function will be on hold. Correct? Now this function will go for its own execution. Again, so this static part will not execute this particular line because it will only execute for the first time, when this function will be called for the first time. So control will come to this particular if check. So again it will check whether ref is null or not. So as you can see here, ref is 200. So ref is not null. So this will not execute, control will come here. So again the recursive call will be made to pnfl ref.link comma n. And what is ref.link? Link part of the node starting from memory, it is 200. So it is 300 comma 2. And this function will go for its own execution, and till the time this function call is not finished, these two lines for this particular function will also be on hold. Correct? Now this function will go for its own execution, it will come again, and first of all if check will be done. What is ref? Ref is 300, so it is not null. Again a recursive call will be made, and this time pnfl print nth from last ref.link. What is ref? 300, so ref.link is 400. 400 comma 2 will be called. Correct? And after that when this will be called, this if check, these two lines for this particular function will be on hold. Now what is going to happen after that? This function will go for its own execution, and again this if check will be done. So as you can see here, ref is 400, so this will be false. Control will come to this particular line. A function call will be made to print nth from last ref.link, and what is ref.link? Null. Null comma 2 will be called. And for this particular function also, when this one will be called, this function will be called, these two lines will go on hold till the time this has not executed. So what will happen after that? This will go for its own execution. As you can see, your reference is null, so this if check will be true, and this particular function will return. Okay, this particular function will return. Now control will come back to this particular function, that is PNLF 400, 2. And what is going to happen? These two lines will execute. So first of all, what it is going to do is it will increase C. It will make C 1, and then it will compare if plus plus C is equal to N. So as you can see here, plus plus C is 1 and N is equal to 2. So not equal. So this line will not execute, and this particular function will go from the function call step. And after that, control will come to PNFL 300, 2. And what will 300, 2 do? Will execute these two lines for itself. So first of all, it is going to increase C. It will make it 2, and then it will compare with N. As you can see here, N is 2 and C is 2. So this condition will be true, and ref data will be printed. Ref is 300 and ref data is 30. So this function will print 30. Okay, and once this is done, this call will also end, this function, and again control will come back to this particular function. So what will this function do? First of all, it will increment C. So it will make it 3 and compare with N. So 3 is not equal to 2, so this line will not execute for this particular function, and this function call will also end. And again control will come back to the first function call, and again this plus plus C will execute, so it will be equal to 4 and N will be equal to 2. So not equal, so this line will not execute for this particular function, and this function will also go from the step. So see how this particular program has executed, how simple it is. And friend, this is all I have for recursive program for printing nth element from the last of a single linked list. And if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.